We are seeing green. And didn't I tell you guys this? Didn't I say that on the weekends, these coins go down? And on the weekdays, they go up. I mean, I did tell you that, right? And how many of you bought this weekend taking advantage of the dip when the mothership, Bitcoin, went to $3,977, saying buy, 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 buy me, buy, 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 buy me? Did you buy it? Did you buy Ethereum? Did you buy Litecoin? Did you buy the big coins when they were down? Because I told you on the weekends they go down, and during the week they climb up. I mean, I don't know why it does that. It just does. Yo, Joey Rocket, my main man. I figured it out, bro. I figured out the OBS. I think it's working. Nathaniel Park, how about those Cowboys going into week 1 at home and taking out the New York Giants? How happy am I today? Wish I could talk to Stephen A. Smith about the game. You know he's going to find some kind of an excuse. Oh, Odell was out. That's why my team got beat down by the Dallas Cowboys and held to 3 points on week 1. But that Dallas D, wow, they look good. They were flying around. Jalen Smith was looking good. Sean Lee was looking good. Everybody was looking good. But before we even get started, we need to talk about September 11th, okay? So before we even get started, and I want to say hi to you guys. How you doing, Nancy Smith? How you doing today? Are you having a good day? Nathaniel Parks, Team Joey Rocket, Team BitConnect, how you doing today? So I had an incredible weekend. Obviously, first NFL Sunday yesterday, and my Dallas Cowboys came out on top of the New York Giants 19-3, and it was nice. It was nice. It was nice. But today is a very unique day because it is September 11th. So before we even get started, I want to have a moment of silence for the people that risked their lives on September 11th and went above and beyond the call of duty to make a difference for other people, and those are the real heroes. And today is September 11th, and it's kind of a sad day for a lot of people, obviously. So let's just have a moment of silence before we get started. We'll start now. All right, and that is for the people and the police officers and the people that were lost and the firefighters that were first on the scene that risked their lives and didn't come home. And for those of you that have been touched by September 11th, we just wish you all the best here at Rich TV Live. And we can't even imagine how you guys are feeling today, but hopefully you can get some, you can feel good about knowing that your loved ones that made a difference on that day were doing that for the betterment of humankind. And it's a crazy day right now for a lot of different reasons. NFL is back September 11th. Cryptocurrency. Obviously, cryptocurrency is always the first thing on everybody's mind. And let's just talk about it right now. So we're looking at Litecoin right now on TradingView. Litecoin currently is at $69.40, a far cry from where it was last week when it was touching $100, but it's come back down and it went all the way down to around $60, which signaled a buying opportunity. So of course I had to buy some. And the question is, are you taking advantage of these dips? One thing I've learned about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin and all the major coins is that there are some major dips, and there's major highs and major lows. And if you really want to benefit from these moves, you have to really understand that there's these major highs and these major lows, and you got to learn to take advantage of it, okay? And I've started to get better at this. I started to understand this better. I started to understand these trends, and literally every time it's down, it's a buying opportunity, and every time it's up, it's either a selling opportunity or it's a time just to hold, because I'm not looking to buy at the top. We want to buy at the bottom. That's how we make money as traders, okay? And as you can see, Litecoin is currently at $69, and I was buying it at $40 a month ago. So I'm very, very happy with Litecoin. Now let's take a look at some other coins. Let's take a look at Ethereum. It was under 300 all weekend, and look at today, over 300 again. Back to 300. Wow. Show that to you guys here. $301 for Litecoin. For some reason, this Bitcoin isn't even moving. Why is it not moving? Why is it delayed here? Is it delayed? Is that what it is? Oh, it's probably delayed. There we go. Is it because I'm not watching it? Is that what it is? So you guys can see the price of Bitcoin is at $4,262. The price of Ethereum is at $301. Holding strong. Now the question is, where is Bitcoin going to go? Where is Litecoin going to go? Where is Ethereum going to go? I believe we will see Bitcoin break 5,000 very soon. I believe we will see Ethereum, look at this chart, starting to find the floor, starting to climb. I think we will see Ethereum breaking 500 to 600 very soon. And I believe we will see Litecoin, Litecoin breaking 100 very soon. You heard it here first from Rich Stradamus. What is going on, people? And let's take a look at the cryptocurrency market today. Look at the green, people. Lots of green today. Let's take a look at this. Look at all the green. Bitcoin up 2.23% at 4,185. Obviously, that's not updated. I don't know why. Let's refresh the page. Okay, so as you can see here, based on these levels, Bitcoin is at $4,203 based on these prices. We know it's a little bit higher than that. Ethereum, we know, is a little bit higher. So these are not 100% updated, but the prices are starting to climb. Litecoin is at 69. Ethereum is at over 300. As you guys can see on my screen here, 302. And Bitcoin is at 42.62. So we need to find something more updated. Let's go to World Coin Index. Let's play some music. Here we go. World Coin Index is actually updated. Perfect. This is better. So Bitcoin up slightly at $4,263. Ethereum at 301. Litecoin at 69. Bitcoin Cash at 567. Ripple at 21 cents. Ethereum at $15. OMG, Omi's Go at $11.48. IOTA, it was at 50 cents, now at 64 and climbing. Monero at 114. Neo at $23. Wow. What's up, Quakey? Get Super Auto Refresh Chrome extension and set it to what time you want. Okay, I'll do that. I'm just learning, people. Just learning. We are finishing early. What does that mean? I have no idea what that means. Oh, the Kick ICO live. What the heck are they talking about? Let's talk about this new ICO, Kick ICO. A new ICO coming out is called the Kick ICO. Kick ICO is the first up and running blockchain fundraising platform that offers comprehensive solutions for ICOs, crowdfunding, and crowd investing. We replace the traditional crowdfunding platforms and their problems: paperwork, high commission rates, and geographical limitations on participants. Our mission is to help innovators, game developers, entrepreneurs, designers, and other future-thinking creators to bring their ideas into reality regardless of their location, origin, and economic status. We are already working in operational mode. We have more than 300 campaigns as drafts and receive around 15 new projects daily from all over the world and from different industries. We are running our ICO on our platform since it's already up and running. We will use the success and promotion of our own ICO to advise our user campaigns in the future. Let's learn a little bit more here. Kick ICO is a virtual currency that will be accepted and used by the projects that are launched on our platform, as well as by all our partners, and later accepted as a payment method too. KC will be primarily used as a payment method on our platform. We expect the following growth rate for Kick ICO. For the Kick coin. Since Kick ICO takes half the commission of ICO campaigns in their tokens, the positive growth of these cryptocurrencies affects the entire portfolio of the platform, thus indirectly supports the value of KC. Wow. So if you want an ICO, you can use the Kick ICO and they'll take 50% of your coins, but they will make sure your ICO is a success. But that's going to be huge for Kick ICO, having 50% of all the new companies that get launched with new ICOs. They're going to get 50% of their coins. That is absolutely enormous. In addition to that, the value of Kick ICO tokens will also be supported by creation of a token fund. Kick ICO takes 4% of the tokens or cryptocurrency produced by an ICO campaign and deposits it in the fund. This fund of campaign tokens will back the value of KC tokens as projects launched through Kick ICO grow in value. Wow. Kick ICO activates Bancor protocol, and being a smart token will have reserves that makes it liquid within Bancor network. Kickcoin will also be a network token for all projects raising funds on Kick ICO platform. This means that the Kickcoin's value will be supported by all Kick ICO projects tokens. That means reserves within Bancor network. This will create an arbitrage opportunity to bring Kick ICO's value higher on the exchanges. This economy model is called the Kickonomy. The Kickonomy. Wow. So guys, take a look at this chart here. This breaks down the new Kick ICO. Let's read this a little bit more. During the first 2 years after the ICO, we will make a limited bonus emission to reward our community members who hold Kick coins, like staking, people. The bonuses will be credited on the last day of every month. Everyone who holds KC will get added KC automatically at the last day of each month. Wow. Bonus submissions will be active during 2 years. Each month the percent is different. 3%, 2%, 1%, 2%, 3%, 5%, etc. This looks pretty cool. This is the new ICO coming out called the Kick ICO. So this breaks down the percentages you will get paid. So it looks like really good. Lottery. After the ICO, we'll conduct a lottery among all participants that have contributed more than 10 Ether, or the equivalent amount in Bitcoins. The bonuses will be spread in the following proportion. And then it breaks down the proportion. Kick ICO is legal and compliant. According to legal opinion, it's good they've got a legal opinion from their Securities and Exchange Commission attorney. I assume this is from their attorney, because you can only get a legal opinion from an attorney. According to our legal opinion of our legal advisors based on the Howey test applicable to such cases, the Kick coins should not be deemed as securities and do not need to be registered as a security. Kick ICO focuses on the legislative regulations of ICO, digital tokens, and operations with cryptocurrencies to provide our users and contributors safe and reliable solutions for crowdfunding 2.0. This is the roadmap. So they started in 2014, crowdsourcing market global analysis in 2014. In 2015, they were doing their project architecture development, prototyping, seed funding received. So their first investments came in. They were developing their platform and their blockchain first vision. In 2016, Kick ICO was in their alpha version. The blockchain risk analysis was successfully finished. In 2017, which is now, their platform integration with blockchain and the blockchain beta version was released. And they've just now finished their white paper, which has become a public announcement. Their smart contract deployment, smart contract audit. First creators added their projects. So first creators and ICO started bringing them business. Pre-ICO successfully reached the hard cap of 5,000 Ethereum coins received. And as you can see now, they are in the August ICO launch, which is now. And now we're into September. So we are doing the Kick ICO public launch, infrastructure development, project creators attraction. Hey, we're a creator. We'll be contacting you, Kick. I've already been in contact with Kick, just so you guys know. Project creators attraction, community development, first projects as part of the Kickonomy, and support program launch. In October, in the future, they will be doing crowdfunding, chatbot version 1.0, Salesforce CRM integration. In November, they will be doing crowdfunders community launch. In December, they will be sharing widgets, SDEX launch. And in 2018, wow, they've got it all roadmapped out here. In 2018, they have a reward system launch, a smart contracts visual kit, a marketplace, UX survey, gamification mechanics, loyalty program, localization, crowdfunding community offline events, crypto crowdfunding academy launch, mobile app development for Android and iOS, integration with additional platforms from Ethereum ecosystem, crowdfunding blockchain fund launched. Wow, and it just keeps going on and on and on into 2019. Oh, wow. We lost our screen here. And it keeps going on and on and on until 2019, 2020. Oh, let's just continue to read this here. 2019, Kick Coin Payment System API for easy integration into independent platforms or apps. Hey, we'll get them on Rich TV Live. Local creators and backers communities development, platform toolkit development, consulting, marketing, legal support, mobile apps public release, integration in smart devices, blockchain of things, In 2020, API for standalone crowdfunding campaigns. Business account for all marketing and advertising projects and insights. And this is the team. Antti A. Danielewski, the founder and CEO. Alexander Petrov, the co-founder and CFO. Andrew Perepelitsa, the co-founder and CTO. And you can see the rest of the team. This is the price of Ethereum currently at $300. What is everybody saying in the chats? What do we see here? Let's go back to the mothership. Now at $4,270, the mothership is on fire and climbing, as you guys can see. Ethereum is at $300. Ethereum is at $300. The mothership at $4,270. As you can see, Ethereum here at $300. Now let's take a look at some other coins. Ripple ripping it now at 22 cents. Quakey is talking about currently working on promoting his Paragon. Paragon is another coin. It is a pot coin. It is now getting launched. They've got a very interesting bonus program where they will actually give you a 5% return daily for the first 30 days of their launch, which is pretty exciting if you're an investor and you want to get into pre-ICO opportunities that are launching very soon. Paragon is one of the best opportunities out there and available right now. And I do have a description in the links down below to the new ICOs, and I've got a description to the link on Paragon. If you would like to be a part of the Rich TV Live Dream Team on the Paragon coin, got a description down below, and we can all make money together. Now take a look at Ripple, now ripping up at 22 cents. I love Ripple. And I believe that Ripple has a great future, and I think that we need to really keep Ripple on our radar, keep it on our watches, and look at this. Look at how it's starting to climb, everybody. You guys see this? Look at the arrow right there. It's a big jump. It's just climbing. I put the arrow right there for you. We've had a nice move here. It's been a lot lower, as you can see here. It was under 20 cents. It was at under 20 cents yesterday, okay? Now we're up to 22 and we're climbing. And what did I tell you guys? Every weekend, these coins go down, signaling a buying opportunity. And then during the week, they go up. So don't get caught buying too high. Buy on the weekends. And then if you want to day trade, you want to sell during the week. That's how you're going to win. If you want to win, I mean, it's up to you, but if you want to win, that's how you win, okay? Now let's take a look at some of these things. Wow, Quakey. 30 referrals in 2 days, Quakey? That is absolutely incredible. Congratulations, man. I'm proud of you, bud. Wow, so Team Joey saying, one of my viewers turned me onto Super Auto Refresh. Love it. Refreshes screens for you. Yes, I definitely need to do it. Obviously, this is not live here, the Bitcoin ticker, which sucks. So let's go back. We're now at 42.63, as you guys can see. So I have to keep going back to keep refreshing it. But at least you guys have an idea of what the price is. And I can show multiple screens at multiple times. And we're still learning here at Rich TV Live, all of these platforms, and learning how to use them every single day. And I believe like every single day we're getting better. What's up, Epic Hustler? David Modell. What you doing, David? We going live in 45, David. I just had to go live first because so many things were happening. I thought I'd go live. But don't worry, David. I'll be ready. I'll be ready. And for those of you that are watching, David Modell and Rich TV Live will be live in 45 minutes. It's true. It's true. Feeling good today. Dallas Cowboys won. It's Monday. All the coins are climbing in the green. Ripple is ripping it. Litecoin is also climbing at $69.50. Look at this price action. Look at the move from yesterday all the way up. We saw it as high as just over 71. What is that? $71. So we've seen it as high as $71 at 2 a.m. when we were sleeping, the sneak attack. And then obviously then it came down, and now it's climbing back up. I love Bitcoin. I love Ethereum. I love Litecoin. I love Ripple. I love cryptocurrencies. I also love the stock market. What the heck is going on in the stock market, you ask? Well, let's take a look. Rich TV Live is the only platform in the planet that brings you stocks and cryptocurrency information 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And we bring it to you live. We also bring you sports, trending topics. We just like to have fun and make money, to be quite honest with you guys. Oh my goodness, Hurricane Irma, the big story of the weekend, leaving much of Florida without power as it heads to Georgia, but it is starting to weaken. Usually when these storms hit mainland, it'll start to weaken. And that's typically what's happening, and that's happening right now. Let's take a look at the markets. Where are we at in the markets? Where are we at in the markets? And what is going on in the stock market? Let's take a look at the markets. Look at this. The Dow Jones is up 260 points. Wow. This is an alert. Stocks are good too, people. Stocks, cryptocurrencies, real estate. You gotta be diversified, people. The Dow Jones is up 262 points. The NASDAQ is up 71 points. And the S&P 500 is up 26 points. You got to be diversified to survive in this economy. In fact, it's all about do or die, guys. Have you guys heard do or die? Take a look at do or die. Do or die, stay alive, survive. Survive. Now we got stocks and cryptocurrencies on our live stream at the same time. Anybody else do that? I don't think so. Look at this. BTSC, Bitcoin Services. BTSC, buy at your local bank. Get an E-Trade account. Or go to Choice Trade. Got a referral link down below. Go to my website. You can find Choice Trade for $5 a trade. Make the right choice. Choose Choice Trade. A Bitcoin cryptocurrency related stock at 7 cents named Bitcoin Services could be a buying opportunity. How about this one? BTCS, another cryptocurrency stock at 10 cents, up 6%. Traded 5 million shares. Do you like it? Is it a winner? GAHC, one that I personally own, taking it on the chin today, down 5%, traded 5.2 million shares. Currently at 1.8. Let's see it go on a run, shall we? How about GBTC, the mothership of all stocks that are involved in cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin Investment Trust. This stock is 9% of Bitcoin. It's at $715. It is the mothership of all stocks involved in cryptocurrencies. It's the biggest and the best of them all. And we found it at $100 on Rich TV Live. It's true. And I remember saying to you guys when we found it that I believed it would go to 1,000. And it did for a short period of time. And then it came back down, went even as low as 600, I think, last week. And here we are back to 700. And it's going to probably climb back to 1,000, guys. So you heard it here again at Rich TV Live. If you want to make a nice little spread, we've already seen it at 1,000. I believe we'll see it at 1,000 very soon again, especially when Bitcoin hits 5,000, which it will. When Bitcoin hits 5,000, you will see GBTC hit 1,000. That's a 30% return for you guys if you guys like returns. You heard it here first from Rich Stradamus. I'm not Nostradamus. I am Rich Stradamus. You heard it here first. It's up to you to decide what you do with that information. BTL is another Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related company in Canada on the TSX BTL, on the TSX Venture Exchange, currently at $3.70, one of the higher coins, one of the higher stocks, I apologize. And let's take a look at MGTI. John McAfee has come out publicly and said that he will eat his man parts publicly on national television. Okay? He will eat his man parts publicly on national television if Bitcoin doesn't hit 500,000 a coin in 3 years. This is his company, currently on the OTC markets, fully reporting bulletin board company at $2.43. We've seen it as high as, I think it hit $4, so it's been a lot higher. It's also been lower. It's been lower than $1. So it's been very volatile. It's currently in the red today. It might be signaling a buying opportunity, but it's been a lot higher and been a lot lower, so it could go either way right now. But I like this company. They are planning to be one of the largest miners in America. Okay? And they are already one of the largest miners in America. So those are a few stocks that are cryptocurrency related that I wanted to bring your attention. And let's go back to cryptocurrencies. Let's go back to TradingView. All right, let's look at some other coins. Now, Litecoin is at $69.27, doing very well. Ripple still at 22. I showed you guys Ripple. Let's take a look at Facebook. Facebook is at $173. I love Facebook. And let's take a look at Snapchat, another stock that I own, currently at $15.43 and in the green. I love Snapchat. It is the future. They are a winner. They will be a winner. Mark my words. I just think so far ahead. Sometimes it hurts me as a trader, but this stock will be at $50 to $100 one day. Mark my words. Okay? And let's take a look at, another one that I really like. If you guys like stocks, take a look at Shop. Shop is a beast. Shop is an absolute beast. Shopify. If you guys don't know who Shopify is an e-commerce online store owned by Facebook. And they are on fire. Look at their chart. All they do is go up. Look at their chart. It is phenomenal. And they are at $117 today, up 3.5%, and all they do is climb. Okay? Absolutely phenomenal company. Has huge potential, and I absolutely love it. Okay, let's take a look at some other coins now. Let's look at Dash, okay? Dash is now currently in the red slightly, 0.1%, 0.99, just under 1%, and it's at $323. Do you like Dash? Are you dashing? Are you dashing to buy Dash? All right, who loves Dash at $323? A little bit high for my taste, but I like this company. Think it has huge potential. Absolutely love it. Now let's look at some of your guys' questions. I've missed a lot of your questions here. Okay, Quakey is saying, I bought 42 Omai's Go coins yesterday, hoping by end of 2018 it's at $80 to $100. Wow. That's, I mean, that would be amazing. But currently working on promoting my Paraguay. No, I know you're pushing it hard, bro. I'm on your team too, young man. I'm on your team too. Team Joy Rocket, one of my viewers, okay. Dave Modell, Epic Hustler. Yes, I know, Nathaniel. I know you love Do or Die, brother. Epic Hustler says, I made a savage video last night. I was in a bit of a mood when I made it. Kind of went into beast mode, but it's whatever. I try to keep it real with you guys. You know what? I'll check that video out, Epic. I was watching football all day yesterday, man, so I missed it. Oh, congrats. Oh, Epic, thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. Epic says, congrats on the Cowboys. My team got beat up by the Packers. Yeah, you know what? So the Packers took out... who the heck was the Packers? That was the boring game. Yeah, Seattle. You're a Seattle fan. So that game was so boring. It was 3-0 at half. I couldn't watch it. But Seattle got beat up by the Green Bay Packers. But they got robbed. They got robbed because they had an interception return for a touchdown at the beginning of the game. And then they called it back because they said that one of the players, one of the defenders, punched Lane, the defensive back, punched one of the receivers, and because of that, they kicked him out of the game, and they took back the touchdown. That was brutal, a brutal call, and they, for some reason, they have some kind of vendetta against Seattle, I believe. It's going to be a close one in our fantasy this week, Rich, says Epic Hustler. Yeah, man, it's going to be a close one. It should be interesting. Oh, Tim Godry wants to buy some Snapchat stocks. Now, guys, remember, I am not a licensed advisor, okay? Let's take a look at Snapchat. I am not a licensed advisor. Rich TV Live is strictly for fun and entertainment and education purposes. I make a lot of investments. Sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down. I will not sell for a loss. My strategy is just to accumulate stocks and cryptocurrencies and real estate, okay? And buy in the red, sell in the green for all three of those, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and real estate. When something is down, that's when I want to buy, and when something is up, that's when I'm thinking of selling. When it's down, I don't even think of selling. I think about buying more, accumulating more, having a better position, lowering my cost average, okay? So that when it does go on a run, then I can be in the green, and then I can exit with a profit, and then move on to the next investment. That is my strategy. What is your strategy? Okay? You need to have a strategy when you're an investor if you plan on winning. Let's go back to the mothership at $4,246. Now, what is going on here? Let's just go back here. Let's go back here. So the mothership is at $4,246. And I can shrink in this here so you guys can see some of the chart better. Go! You guys can see the chart better. And let's go back to that. Let's see if that stays. All right. Little Mayo is saying news unit was talking some nonsense about you and NLC2 last night. If you missed that, thanks. You are a pump and dump. Thinks you are a pump and dump promoter. Well, hey, listen, man. At the end of the day, everybody is entitled to their opinion, right? Everybody in the world is entitled to their opinion. I'm not here to tell people what they should or shouldn't think about me. But all I can tell you about News Unit is he got banned from YouTube. His channel got banned from doing live streams. So it's kind of funny that everybody wants to talk trash, but all the people that are talking trash keep getting banned. I kind of find that a little bit funny. So many haters. And what do I tell you guys? Don't hate, collaborate. Isn't that what I tell you guys? Don't hate, collaborate. News Unit. Listen, man. I don't know what you're talking about being a pump and dump promoter, but if you want to collaborate, let's just collaborate, bro. You don't have to throw me under the bus. I don't even know you. So if you want to talk trash, you want to battle, we can battle. But if you want to collaborate, we can collaborate too. I got no beef with anybody on YouTube. I want to collaborate with everyone. I'm just an average guy. I bleed like everybody else. I have good days. I have bad days. I make investments in cryptocurrency, stock, and real estate. And I just want to share my journey with everybody else. And for some reason, people want to call me out every single day. So it ain't anything new. But thank you for letting me know that. I appreciate that. Little Mayo, thank you for the heads up, brother. And let's take a look at some more coins, and then I'm going to leave this stream because I will be back in half an hour. I will be live, okay, guys? So let's just take a look at the top 10. Bitcoin is at $4,263. Ethereum is at $301. Litecoin is at $69. Bitcoin Cash is at $564. Ripple is at 21 cents. Ethereum Classic, let's refresh this. Why is it not updating? Ethereum Classic is at $15.52. OMG, Omi's Go, is at $11.52. IOTA is at 64 cents. Monero is at $113. And NEO is at $22.77. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. I'll leave you guys with do or die. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And remember, all I do is bring you winners. If you're not winning, you're not watching. Who's watching? I love you guys. I'll be back in 29 minutes. Peace. Survive. And Snapchat is climbing. And I'll leave you with, let's leave you with Ethereum. The price of Ethereum. Alright, people, your boy's out. Ethereum at $300. Is Ethereum the next one? Will Ethereum pass Bitcoin? Stay tuned.